Okay, so I'm about to make my daughter a little snack here. She loves strawberries, so we have some fresh, juicy red strawberries here that I just rinsed off in the sink, and today I'm gonna try out this stem gem. So this is something you can find on Amazon for, currently it's running for $6.95. So this is the first time I ever used it. So let's see how easy it is to use it. And I'm gonna take and cut it open. So it's just as simple as that. So you can just press down on the button a little bit and open it up. So these are already washed. I really don't even know how to do this, but I've got my daughter's bowl here. And maybe I don't even have to curl them up. Maybe I just, is that how I do it? I don't even know. Maybe it just grabs it. This is a great product review video. Okay. So far I'm not impressed. Maybe I'm doing it incorrectly. I'm not impressed. Okay. It's supposed to just like pull the whole center out. Okay, this is the wrong way to do it. Alright, let's try another strawberry. Which I shouldn't even be putting those in the bowl. Okay. Oh, we'll have to cut that one. Alright, let's try this. Maybe if I just stick it in the center. Let's try this. If I just stick... Oh! Okay, let me try it again. Maybe, I don't know if I press the button or... What is this thing? I don't get it. Alright, I'm gonna put the link of the of this item in the comment section if you'd like to have it, because I know I'm really selling it to you right now. Okay, alright, let's look at the directions. That probably would have been helpful to look at from the beginning. Okay, it says top rack, dishwasher safe. Oh, that's good. I'm glad that it's dishwasher safe. Okay, so you push the button, insert stainless steel claw, release button, and twist. Ah, there's a twist. All right, let's try again. So it does say to push the button. All right, so I'm going to push the button. I'm going to insert stainless steel claw. So I'm going to insert it. And then release button and twist to remove stem. Okay, yep. Let's try that again. All right, push the button, insert stainless steel claw, release button, and twist to remove stem. Yeah. I don't like this thing. Alright, one more time. Push button. Insert stainless steel claw. Release button and twist to remove stem. Yeah, I'm not impressed. And that's all. Alright, so now I'm going to take these and I'm just going to cut the top off because that's just how you do it, right? It's a lot easier than that crazy thing. I don't even know what to think about that. So I'm going to cut them up small for my daughter, and she'll have a little strawberry snack.